So this is the table that they're going to learn in the shaker table making class. Can you tell us about it?
So when we make this shaker table, we use a combination of power tools and hand tools. So you should have a basic familiarity with the woodworking tools. If you don't have experience with hand tools, we can help you out with that in the class. It gives you a good way to exercise your skills in using a sharp chisel and using a sharp hand plane, and how to set up your hand plane for optimum results and smooth surfaces for that final finish. For example, the tapered legs we like to cut with a bandsaw and smooth out with a hand plane. The drawer features blind dovetails and through dovetails that we'll cut by hand. And then we've got mortise and tenon joinery to join the legs. Typical shaker style, they just used a basic mushroom-shaped pull on their drawers, and I turned that on a lathe from just a little cutoff of cherry. Oh, this table would go good in any decor. It's just the simple design, blends in well in the living room or in a hallway or as a bedside table.